Good day, everyone. I'm Ola May, and welcome to my channel. Today, I have a mini accessory haul, I would say. I did find these accessories at Saks Off Fifth, and I actually found them at two different Saks Off Fifth. So I will show you the first one, and as you see, two are unwrapped and one is wrapped. So starting with the first one, it is an all black Michael Kors. I guess this is considered a basket weave or woven wallet. And it is a large zip around. It does not have a wristlet to it, but I believe it's pretty easy to go ahead and add a wristlet strap here if I wanted to. And I believe these are my first Michael Kors accessories. I really have, I would say I have one Michael Kors bag that I've had for years. I'm pretty sure it's considered vintage. And that's it. I didn't have any other accessories or any other bags. But this is called a Jet Set, I don't know what MDMF wallet in black is. And if you know Saks Off Fifth, this was not the price paid for it. So it was really marked down. And I will show you the interior. The inside of it, it looks like, so it does have the Michael Kors embossment there. 1, 2, 3 card slots on that side with the slit for you to put whatever you like. A divider here to put anything else additional. Is this a warranty card? Carry your phone in style with this chic accessory. So it's made with keeping your phone inside in mind. Okay, so that's what this pocket is for, to put your cell phone. So that would explain what the thickness of it. And then the zipper pocket, and then another pocket on this side. So it really does not have that many card slots in here. So it really only has 3 card slots itself. No exterior pockets or anything like that. So the main reason for buying this, y'all, is to hold your phone, your main cards, including your ID, put some change in, and bills and whatever else you want to fit in here. And it's meant to hold your cell phone. So that would explain why it's such a thick wallet. But to me, it would seem easy to carry this just like this, clutch style, because of the thickness of it. I don't think it's too thick or that it would interfere with putting it in your bag itself, but it's easily grippable, should I say. So, but this is the first color in the black, so that you'll have a close-up of it. Not sure what that is, but it looks like that'll rub off. And I did get other colors. So this pretty color here, let me see if it has the name of this color on here. I thought that this was so pretty. Geranium is the name of this color. So Jet Set is the silhouette of the wallet, and geranium is the color. So the other one was just Jet Set in black. And I'm not sure how it's coming up on camera. It looked like for a minute there it turned red. But it's not red. It is like a cross between coral and hot pink. That is so funny. When I bring it up close, it looks red to the camera. But further back, the true color comes out. That is funny. So that's the second one in that color. Same interior, set up, but the color is of the interior matches the exterior. So I did not realize that this was made to hold your cell phone. So this is going to come in handy. And I do like that the loop on the zipper is wide enough for me to put a wristlet strap on it if I want to. Very easily. Okay, so I got these two at one store. And the sales associate pretty much just rung them up and threw them in the bag so nicely. This one I got at a different Saks off Fifth. And as you see, it's nicely wrapped up. So I guess it depends on which store you go to, who your sales associate is, and how nice they feel like being at that time, possibly. I don't know. But I got these two first, and I was expecting for them to be wrapped. They were close to closing, but still, they were not wrapped. This one was actually, now that I think about it, close to closing as well. But she did not rush. She took her time and wrapped this up for me. I did not ask. And she put it in that cute little bag. She actually said that this was the wallet that she had her eye on. She was like, "You're buying my wallet." And so, yeah. So this one came in this very bright, summery lime color. So I see why she said this was her her wallet. She said, "You're getting my wallet." I told her I will take care of it, but up close, let's see if it changes. Not really. It kind of looks yellow up close, but it is like a neon lime green color, I would say. So the same with this one, with the interior. It should be. We'll see in a minute. Matching, yes, the interior matches the exterior. The Michael Kors embossment there, or stamp, with the 3 card slots. And the same card that says about it being for your phone, or designed to carry your phone and your essentials, pretty much. So I am wondering why they did not make this, give it a wristlet, I wonder. Especially with it holding your phone and your cards and just a few cards. I wonder why they did not add a wristlet strip to this. A wristlet strap to this, because I don't see one inside. But that would have been a very pretty added touch, especially to have a strap the same color leather as the exterior. That would have been really pretty. But I mean, with the hardware, looks like the hardware on this one is silver. The hardware on the others are gold. So you could easily just add like a chain wristlet strap to this in silver, and then a gold chain wristlet strap to this one as well. And that would make it an easy convertible wallet / wristlet. And then with it being, with you using an actual chain strap for it, you wouldn't have to worry about trying to match up the leathers, because they are very uniquely colored leathers. But this is all 3 of them together, and you can see that the lime green one has silver. The Michael Kors is in silver versus gold on the black and the geranium. So I had never seen this particular wallet, and I had definitely had not seen it by Michael Kors either. And I thought that they were very pretty, very bright colors, and a great addition, or great additions to my accessory collection. So these are my first Michael Kors wallets, and I am happy that I was able to find them. And I was actually surprised to find them at 2 different stores. So finding these 2 initially, and then finding this one at a separate store, I was surprised to see that. But I'm glad that I was able to get the trio together, and all very beautiful colors that I can easily pair with other bags. And I'm looking forward to using them, you all. And that will be the ultimate test to kind of get an idea of how it carries with my phone in it. And also, I know it's going to be cute with the chain wristlet strap to go on there as well. But these are my Michael Kors wallets finds. And let me know if you all like this color, which color you would say is your favorite. And again, if you all have any of these wallets, because I had not seen them before. So they are new to me. I'm not sure when they were released either. The colors, you can't really go by that because these are very springy colors and this is an anytime color. So I don't even know when they were released or how Saks Off Fifth kind of does their inventory. If it's previous season, 2 seasons before, or what. So, again, you all let me know if you have this wallet, if you've seen it before, if you have any idea of when it was released, I would like to know. But thank you all so much for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing my content. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very wonderful day. And thank you so much for watching.